Insert the ice pack into the dry freezer bag, then place the bag in the freezer. After 4 hours of freezing between -18 and -22 degrees Celsius, remove the ice pack and redistribute the gel if necessary. Caution: make sure to place the protective skin fabric between your skin and the ice pack. Position the first pack with the edge facing up. Attach the side straps of the rear pack to the front pack. Attach the hook and loop strap to the front pack, at the bottom opposite the buckle. Repeat this process for the other side. From now on, your leg must remain straight. Screw on the pump and turn the valve to on. Inflate. Do not exceed 10 pumps. Turn the tap off and unscrew the pump. After 20 to 30 minutes, remove the ice pack, deflate, then place the ice pack back in the bag and return it to the freezer.